brush my hair because it's not gonna look. Hey guys, it's Gabby here, and I'm back with another YouTube video. Like, I haven't posted since what, 4 years ago? Whatever. We coming back, babe. Oh. Okay, we coming back, and like, I don't want to talk loud. You can hear my parents in the background, honestly, but whatever. I don't wanna talk loud. You see, my room's a mess. Like, my bed's a mess. Whatever. I do not care. Um, but yeah, we're coming back, and like, I have to do a new blah. I have to do a new YouTube intro. Um, and yeah, I have to do everything new. Honestly, like, you're just gonna see old videos of me in here, and do not judge, please, cause I'm not up for that. But yeah, Hillary is currently in her room. I don't want to go in there because y'all don't want to see her room. On me, on my mom, on anybody. You guys do not want to see her. I need to honestly dye my hair again. But yeah, I dye my hair. I've been planning to do that. Like, it's somewhere on the videos. I did a Q&A and I go, oh, what I wanted to plan when I'm older. Girl, I dye my hair. I'm a whole joke, but I'm gonna try to not talk loud because, like, I don't know, I don't like talking loud. I remember I used to be in a whole complete silence room and I would talk loud and I would echo. But yeah, I'm going to do a new edit video. Oh my lord. Okay, I'm gonna do a new, what is that called, a new intro. I swear, I need to come back, but I'm gonna do a new intro. We're still gonna keep doing makeup. We're still gonna keep doing cooking shows. Is that what's, I don't even know. My sister does that. I don't do that. And we're gonna do a lot of things. Mostly makeup, I'm gonna be doing it maybe on her because her skin color is different than mine. So I'm gonna be doing it on myself and on her. I don't know about Brian. I don't think he's gonna come back. My aunt, aka Tia, is here, obviously, but we live in different houses. We always lived in different houses. We started, I'm sorry. Okay, we started, and like, yeah, I used to live in a different house. Now, obviously, I'm in a new house, but yeah. And we're gonna come back, and I have to do a new intro video. I have to do many things. I honestly don't know. I have 600 subscribers, and I don't know where they went. I have to get everybody back to this again. I'm gonna be the one mostly having the account, and obviously my aunt has, what is that called, access to it. There we go. I'm gonna have my friends in it. Hillary's gonna have hers. It's gonna be a whole show, a telenovela. Oh hell no, I sound gringa. I'm not gringa, I'm sorry. But yeah, we're going to bring oh my god. Okay, so I'm sorry, my friend texted me. Okay, so we're going to bring back everything, honestly, because I want to come back. I don't know if my sister wants to come back. I've been like doing this video for the past months. Like, it's summer, about to go. I'm about to be like a 10th grade, a sophomore, and like this whole summer I was like, oh, I'm gonna do this video, but I never get through the edit. So what I'm going to do is just, I don't even think I'm gonna edit this video out. I'm just gonna just put like, what is that called? Now I think it's a clickbait. No, a clickbait is when something fake happens. I'm just gonna put a picture when you click on the video. And like, I'm just gonna post it. I don't care, like, zero. Or I'll probably put music in the background. But so yeah, I want to explain to you guys why we stopped doing YouTube. I don't even know the reason why. It's just middle school was pure slack. But yeah, we're starting again, and I'm gonna put my Instagram down below the description box, and Hillary's. And yeah, like, I have two Instagram accounts. I have a makeup one, and I have obviously the main Instagram account. I gotta get a new lighting. I know that. Um, I have to get like, what is that called? I forgot what that's called. Um, like I'm probably gonna use that one. I don't know yet. It's like a background one. Like, you can't see my room because honestly, my room, I could show my room is just, I don't want to, bro. I do not want to. I'm gonna change the light. Obviously, I ordered a new light, a ring light, and I'm going to order one. And yeah, we're starting again because honestly, this orange light is not cute. Even though it's cute, it like for mostly golden hour, that's what it's called. It's like, but it's in the sun, but you know, it's cute. It's just I don't like this light. I like white light, not yellow light, orange, whatever you guys could call it. But yeah, um, okay. So my dad was talking in the background, but whatever. And we honestly stopped doing YouTube because I was going. My aunt got married, and like it was so different. Everything was different, so we couldn't do anything. And we honestly we just went, we all separated our ways. Hillary went, obviously Hillary was in elementary school. I was in middle school. Now I'm in high school. Now Hillary's going into my middle school. It's different now, so I don't know. I have time because obviously I come out first than her, and I can edit everything out and stuff. So you already know. Catch me doing videos out here. I'm just kidding. Oh no. But yeah, I'm like honestly, it's just okay. As I was saying, so I honestly want a name for us. I don't know what yet. Of course, my mom had to talk, but whatever. I don't know what name yet, and like I'm gonna change everything because I remember we used to be like this small. We used to be super. I'm not girly anymore. Like it's different. Like everything is different now. These people stay talking. Whatever. Everything is different now, honestly, because if you hear this, this is my chair. Like, if it squeaks. Because y'all ain't slick. Y'all ain't slick. Okay, so I'm going to show you my makeup and stuff, obviously. I'm going to do that. I was planning on doing a channel separately. I don't know yet. But then at the same time, that's going to be hard. Um, but yeah, that's all I wanted to say. And Hillary, y'all can hear her. Hold on. No, she ain't talking. Whatever. Who are you talking to?
I'm Giovanna.
Oh, hey. Hi. Okay.
My sister said hi. What do you want?
Okay, just look at this face. Ew, you nasty ass girl. What's going on YouTube?
It is?
Yes.
Cut that part out.
No. Okay, as I was saying, y'all saw her. My mom came in, so I'm probably gonna cut that part out. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I have to do my eyebrows, but we coming back. I'm doing an intro and an outro, obviously. My aunt probably is gonna help me, but I don't know yet, cause she's married. You hear that? This is getting me. This is getting me mad. Okay, but yeah, like I honestly want to start YouTube again, cause girl, I need to be entertaining these people real quick. You know, I'm just kidding. I'm really not that funny. But yeah, there's gonna be, but there's gonna be a lot of like my friends are gonna be in it. I'm gonna show my friends. I'm gonna do my friends' makeup. I'm gonna do like Q&As with my friends too. I don't know. I'm mostly gonna be like not everywhere. I'm gonna vlog in school. Um, yeah. I just want y'all to know that I want those 600 subscribers to start being active, please. I do not know where you guys went, even though like I think we used to have 900, and they dropped. But whatever. I want y'all to be here, honestly, cause and I also need to text this lady back, the manager. I think don't even know, but she's still in service for us. But You already know. There's gonna be new subscribers in this too. My sister's friends, my friends, girl. You know. And like, I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos. Not even gonna front, but yeah, I'm gonna be showing all my friends. Yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, I'm getting my braces off in like a week. So yeah, I'm not gonna see me like this anymore. You heard? Okay. Um, I don't know what's like next. Yeah, I think that's it. Well, not really, but yeah. I've improved from back then when I used to do my makeup. Like honestly, I would copy off pictures. Like now it's just me. Now I do me. Now it's just me. But I'm gonna be in my aunt's house. I'm gonna be here. Hope I had her, bro. I need to buy a camera because I'm honestly doing this on my phone. I'm not gonna. I don't want. Lord, I don't know how to say this. Oh, I don't want to use my phone as like my camera because it's gonna use just pure of my storage. So I'm probably gonna switch my phone on Christmas. I'm probably gonna get the iPhone X and then use this one as the camera. Or maybe I'll just get a camera in Christmas on Christmas. In Christmas. Y'all hear my grammar? Oh my lord. Okay, whatever. Yeah. So if I'm not talking loud and y'all hear people in the background, well don't even hear them. Honestly, I need to get like a room. And also I'm probably gonna use like my my closet because I have a walk-in closet. If y'all don't know that, I'm probably gonna use my walk-in closet as the recording room because it's really loud and you could just hear people, and I don't want y'all to hear people because that's honestly disturbing. I remember back then back then when editing didn't even like exist. Ew, my hair is a mess. Whatever. When we used to not edit, we used to let everybody, you used to hear my grandma's conversations and stuff, my dad's conversations with my grandma, my grandpa, my uncle. Y'all used to hear that. Like honestly, how can y'all hear that? How do we even get subscribers with that? Tell me. Freaking tell me. Okay. But yeah, like we used to like I forgot what my sister used to do. Oh yeah. So my sister, when she used to record, she would leave. Like she would walk out like this. I'll be right back. And then like 12 minutes later she'll just come back and she was like, okay, so like no, I'm
Can you open my water bottle? I can't open
are
it.
you serious?
Yes.
Okay, as I was saying, yeah, my sister used to do that. Like she would walk out and like it would be like 12 minutes counting right now, like um 12 minutes, and she'll come back and then say yeah, so like like no, that was honestly like so bad quality. I don't know how we got so many subscribers like that, but now it's gonna be like more improving. You get me? Like it's gonna be way better and funnier. We're mostly gonna record in my grandma's kitchen, cause like my grandma's kitchen's so pretty. I don't know why. Like I've been planning for such a long time. Like, oh Tia, that's what she's known in here. I was like, I want to come back. We want to come back to YouTube. And then and my aunt said, bet. Okay, let's go back. Like, and I would always say that. And then at the end of the day, I'll be like, I'm too lazy. Like, honestly, oh my God. I'm just a headache to myself. I have a headache right now. Like, but yeah, like, I want to come back. YouTube is fun, bro. Not even gonna front. Everything got off my mind. Oh my God, I can't take this. Okay. So I'm gonna wrap this up for y'all because it's a literally I just made 15 minutes. So I'm gonna wrap this up. Next time we're gonna post. I don't know. I have to make the intro and the outro. So the next time we're gonna post, it's gonna be that. And I'll probably post today's today's Wednesday. I'm probably uploading this like Thursday midnight. So like in a few minutes. Oh my God. Um. So like I'm probably posting on Saturday if we have anything to do on Saturday because we just came back from Orlando and my mom has been like she hasn't done like anything. Like She doesn't want to do anything, so I'll probably post on Saturday, or if not Saturday, the next week. I don't know. To be honest, I'll probably post Saturday or Friday. I don't know yet. And I have to find ideas what to post to, and I have to tell my aunt to make me an outro, because I don't know how to make an outro. I just know how to make an intro. I'm so dumb. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna wrap this up. Next video is probably gonna be Friday or Saturday. I have to see what video, but y'all subscribe, like, put that notification if you really want to see me, like, girl, a boy, human. Honestly, I want to bring us back, because my 600 subscribers have been super ghost. Y'all been nowhere. I want you guys back. Like, I just want you guys back, please. Like, I love y'all. I need a name for us, like anything. But I love y'all so much.